Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use dall-e from ChatGPT to create digital copies of old existing photos. So I've got a picture here that I'd like to digitize. It's from an old scrapbook from way back in the 80s or 90s before digital photos were really a thing. And let's say I want to extract these two photos and turn them into a digital file format. The first step in doing so is going to chatgpt.com. Here we're greeted with the prompt screen. And now let's click on this plus button, click on add photos and file, select the file we want to upload, we want to extract, and now all we have to do is feed it the right prompt. I'll start with take this image and extract the two photos, a digital copy of each, while restoring any discoloration or damage. So I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt. Let's go ahead and press enter and see what dall-e gives us. So we're just giving it a minute or two and there we go. There's our finished product. For reference, here are the two original photos and here's the restored. Here are the restored versions. Overall, pretty faithful to the original, I'd say, and I am 100% pleased with the results. I'm gonna go ahead and click on download, and now I have digital copies of old vintage photos. So I hope I was able to teach you something new, and thank you for watching.